Mbeta kwa Steve Muriungi Kanyanya Kantibuka, my late grandmother.
Ito Kanyanya.
Ndakurire uni primary school ndathirire mbitwa Kanyanya no ntutiri twaringi bambita. So it was a nickname ndanenge no nturi ndingithia ndauga nkera nyanya. So they decided kumbita Kanyanya Kanini. So it's like a darling.
Agumete ku.
Oni mpumete kuntugwita kwa nari. Kuciarira nciariri kintu gita Kimbo ndakurira kuntu gwita wanari ndathomera primary Kimbo primary ndaja Trinity primary Murangini primary sorry kuma Trinity ndachoka ndeja ndakarakara ndikuthiria class 8 miaka engano na riu ndatonya form 1 rugete ne day secondary school riu ndetontulile high school ndeja Kipim college then da join JKUAT na bitangu nero
waguku mabiashara tu
ndio biashara nero bitana organization ito Relays International tundira na mantu ja donors yes
mtu kenda mdona kuma njan omena kuone
jamani America
okuwa wena ontu kwenda kuza na mashinani uko na dona mtu akuona wanto sawa.
And what you do to work on organizations, county government, national government, to buy the again to get our resource mobilization organizations. After they have done what we call a proposal, so we do the review a proposal and forward, follow up and fund.
Bio bogabo kera mtu intuweke enda milioni muwanja utala 35 na 235 chibu dawo
neringana kana project. It's kind of a fundraising. So they again to jakira tuita makera ya kanisa. Wewe na nukwenda kugura computer but kirari na facility ndio tena namna kugura. So batu toka gutetheria kumenya no tumba kukuretera ita bokathithe kintu gitwa joint venture kana yo kuigwa thirikari igita PPP, that is public private partnership kana kintu gitagwa grant.
Ichule gire nani John Bandi akiwa mantu ma PPP anu bakwenda muno baingi muno bande ura Kenya
niwe kwenda bathithia nontu thaiji kwina a lot of conflicts nontu bwa donors. They have reduced the donations in our country with almost 60%. Nontu bwa crisis ira tunacho the Kenya is not the country is not stable na antobara bao menara donors bakeja ku realize the country is not stable they withdraw kana bakabwa time kwamba ku stabilize. So proposals ira tukuthithio kona ni ko delay nontu in most of the cases we are unable kuonania na tatugachokia mbeche ira twaja kunenkerwa
kweli
na ikio kone nya IMF ekweja baiji they have reduced nini from 25 to 5% with the all 20%. So kwena kaishu gwe kidogo Kenya tomba kutho tukithogana ichi acha kitu inacho tia mulima na maji but we are struggling as a country na nonto we were blessed tiacha muno nkurukia kuonia kuonania uratu batarite witangogi na donors baba tebo ba tu Africans barogeto mwira nkonenkere ngiriye ko myunchwire ngirito you have to prove reason ya konenkerwa mbecha
inu wanenkere
you have to prove
kabisa
itangogi na mbecha iji and you have to prove ore mbecha iji gachoka kedri mbecha cha kuchoka. So without those three cha prove then it becomes very hard kuba convince ba konenka
watu meoka convince na watu membeji no ata abati
and you know in our country we've been doing somehow a lot of mistakes na foundations ito itawiga wanga Kanyanya foundation na Steve foundation to ashiere che biashara so antobara donors ba notice so they have bakinyanga briki nonto barija ba konenkera mbecha tia kuritangoge eji na wogeta gwite okathithia change of use or the change of use you confuse them. So once you confuse them they are unable now to do what we call follow up thingatene boega ina mutaratara na ndio baterera njirene they are unable now to come back and fund you the next time.
Kanyanya na bando we musiasa ki naanza we
that's one of my professionals. I did it as a diploma. I do what we call strategic plan. Politics. I'm a political strategist by profession.
Bas.
My business is to make kids.
Kigia de mitengweta mono. Agwe nino mitengweta mono tunikona bamantu baditana bene ndigura Kenya.
Yes.
Ndagochoke nyuma kidogo, gangochoke nyuma kabisa nyuma ya President William Samoei Ruto kanjia kurukana na munini wake Rigathi Gachagua mbunge mteketa mutuse na bangiere ta motion kiri mbunge ya kuendekia bamurutegeteri Rigathi Gachagua na ubaruthia mbunge nebu aruthire ya mwerekea ya muruta ya mwira kire seneti ya muruta na thaino seneti baba ngendo tukarietora watikende already roni kiwe last week watikariyetora Professor Kithure Kindiki ende kidwa William Samoei Ruto ayakire mbunge kenda atweka munini wa rais lakini mantu magarukotika Gachagua otiga manko mukuthi koti kurigiria mwanka uga mutaratara wa ruthirwe wake wa kuruta gitini tari mwega i process ndaya lakini gota Kanyanya we na utiabo kumenya utueleze zaidi ndiguru tukariata naona tuthiete kumune na kesi ino
mbere kabete twina constitution ya 2010
yes
iria twakurukirie na gutoe munene nkurukia sheria
kweli
kirindi kuruici urethro wi president urethro wi king urethro wi queen whoever you are you cannot be munene nkuruki ya sheria
kweli
so iboyaga Kenya berewe as much as to in a lot of push pull and gymnastics and all these stories you are seeing muthie nejo anteto ici kwina sheria ire batarite kuthingata and kintu kiria ndingienda kurikania Kenya na atongeria betu ukathugani womba kuuna sheria thaa ici uthugania kwijomithithia kairi next no nture ukamithithia thaa ici kira gikagito thaa inu igagwa kinya kotini ra njanji akuthithia ruling aeja na examples cia kuri gamba jariririe jite miaka 10 na yagitirwe uju na uju ni njanji fulani so iko there were a lot of comparison in judgment ikuthithwa so umenye gamba ri ura rikagito this time lete affect muntu thaa ici affect muntu nyo miaka 20 jite
kweli
so bukithithia gymnastics yenu jeje na bukigenda kuona ni ora boina powers bumenye sheria ici igita mbere na nyuma kinya miaka ega na ijite kuri muntu ega affect whether ti powers yo kwenda gutumira powers yaku ambuga ujo bwana kabete mantu ja sheria te mantu ja gutindana nacho na sheria chitarambiria Kenya
oma
sheria chiambiriria Biblia ni ile abakaramta bathoma mthiguru itena sheria that's what the Bible says mthiguru itena sheria kethiraga it perishes haraka muno kuntu gutena sheria kiuthurano gitena sheria kinya kanisa itena sheria
ana edino
otena oithara itite so kaja kuithura kubunda kuna sheria then kuna gitumi giki nene muno kinya ki anthiguru yetu kuthingata sheria uria bataritie kuithura kari don't forget batu sheria yetu constitution yetu 2010 I think 50 or 60 or 70% we've borrowed from American laws
yeche kuri America
iri tumairwa kiri America na constitution yuju korirwa president yuju uriku wetu wa Kenya raiji was one of the people who are very much against this constitution so the possibility onya kuuna sheria ya nyamwere yechi wa ate kuona no ntunyo already from the word go akankuga but I'm just trying to say the possibility mantu jamo kuona jake pushed maybe kwithura muntu ate kwenda kwa attached ka involved kiri mantu jano ntuna regete from the word go kijani tameregete ni tameregete no ndinko benyi pinta thomete uni andari ija MC thank you ga ke no nyore bori nyore mbiri nkuga no
utike wengi
kwira lakini after that uninde jira ndira thoma constitution na constitution ikalija Biblia by the way people need to understand utadoma constitution yumeelewa yonde you keep coming up with new things the more you read it the more you analyze it the more you come up with new things why am I saying this teka igoro kurari na nkurukia advocate yo mirongo mugwanja 35 ndeje na ndenge na 35 interpreting one law na bombe balomerete the same bombe otote kurukirite Kenya School of Law lakini they interpreted one law
in a different way
advocate pero como the same law that's what I'm telling you it's like a Bible the constitution yetu it's like a Bible nonto meria akeja kathoma John chapter 3 verse 16 akatomeria manto ja wendo Jesus arenda ntikurusi juu arakwa nonto bayo somebody else will come with another different interpretation so laws tieto na nyetu ingwa jo kataka mitandao ne ututira alo ya thaici from since mantu ya rambiria tuthomete mantu ya maingi muno jamu inya ntaigwa
ukweli
ntuire kuthugania conservatory orders yonda tu lakini ndio kumenya the other day ndamenya conservatory order ni nthuku muno ntu iyonda ire ri iguru ya onda singi tionde iu ya mantu ja past, present and future. Ikansora kila kitu. Ikiwa na mangala hizi kiindikio yetu bwana tutapisha na nkona tuikaranga. Nkona tuikaranga. Kada tu ile antuma kabeteno tunayo sheria ndakwira nonga tutumire kifua. Na twatumira kifua igato affect.
Miaka ika tu.
Miaka ike jana tena minya miaka no to affect after mieri. Twatumira kifua. Utera kereo tu pressure ituje kiindikiza an acting deputy president na akarewa for the time being nyangwa kendo tumika buthuku nonto at the end of the day what will happen can disconnect na mwananchi.
Okay.
The possibility ya wenye kudhukia career ya wewe siacha is very high if we continue pushes for this thing. Let's go step by step pole pole. Utino ira wigwa kamino akiuri na antu bogi. Oya we rushing atugukwa. We are not going anywhere.
Kamino no akura muno bwana.
Kukura take sheria the more by the way you do sheria the more you practice the more you become perfect.
Okay, the value that thing mo.
88. It's almost 88. Yeah, but he is still very strong.
Anto baruga Kanyanya anto baruga kuwa kurutwa gashegwa utare na mwerekero mwega isiasa na anto kurukira anto iba kumena gogu mutara kuruta rigadi gashegwa kumakinja pite present we bakundi buriko na barutangiro
mbere okorirwa ya mwan what affected this story and being part and parcel ya kuchwa thirikari with my resources with my energy with my everything na unire twathura thirikari we had so many promises cia wananchi twari na nkurukia promise ngiri 10 igato aere wananchi na manjara tubatarite kuthithiria wananchi na rira twathia promises ici cionthe I didn't see anywhere close to where tugite after mwaka jumwa kana after miaka iri Ruto bathurana na Gachagua tugachokwa campaign ine na itu no tu campaign ine turi to me I didn't see it being a very good example to the nation.
Okay,
no tondo aizi I'll tell you for free personal they are very personal iche mukuru na mwakuru
no tukumenga
chianteto kinyokoria Gachagua na Ruto bo bari na abaitene kutuizi
ukweli utimenya
we omea aria bayaritanire nobody knows twin the we are just doing what we call guesswork. Ikiwa kuna tukija propaganda every day. Anga Gachagua uga anga Gachagua na kwenda kugarura thirikari. Gachagua kwenda kugarura thirikari na my friend. Ruto akeja story we anga Gachagua no nagwa naenda kura. So many stories which are not making sense to us. No to bwandu achia bo bairi na bonde bo bairi tu kwenda kuga umabungwa araburi. So kwamberia kwandu aiji chao personal. So cheers kareti che umarao menachi anenkerwa na bate kwerwa ndo anachumita na atu twa cheers kareti
alikuwa jeje kwata mono
kwanza ndichi ya kwata mwanki na only remember last year ndende girwe fununu iji in December turi samoya in arboretum ndere atongerenda bera mteto iji casualties ibaba kedra beba inge kurukia the individuals
kweli
the possibility ya gutika Ruto na Gachagua pendre ya mantu jao na baatu twin the casualties to politically is very high. And see what is happening.
Yes.
Kote mutongeria who is against this impeachment or who is for this impeachment umba kuchoka ground in arianto
bale batiko kinya no kwanja
batikinya na batiomba because I said the other day in another media da ndera antu makosa jira twathirie muno batu turi antu betu ba Mount Kenya na sana antu betu ba Meru na Tharaka mbigwatithania no ntuna ndi turaere gintu kimwe ica
Meru Tharaka
ndigwa na i turaere gintu kimwe thai twathire makosa ya manene muno kabete twathura MPs with no independence might ne antu baraba ndauga bunge Gachagua guturi mbia kuingira
ari
Gachagua aende ndauga bukurukie financial bill ya 2023 no tore au 2023 ndauga bukurukie ngo ne tore au uteonge munene. And let me tell you something, by the way, don't be shocked by this, which also shocked me. One of the MPs more than 3 I think, because I sit down with them.
Yes.
Dobori abo aruma uambi murume atuma abo karinya na maruru bama ambera to atumero ngiri date bantu bakero kurumo milioni janga milioni amanga milioni 3 ati antu beto ba Meru MPs beto bero grida te presene
data no karinga no kari
ikira no menye utenge kuja muntu akaje kuthoma akiri bro
ikidate
na iba thomero akiri MPs beto Tharaka Nithi na Meru gutumba kwimekira decision gutumba kwithuganiria na iba menyere betithagua inyate steering bari iruo ndera rugeta ukaumania ruo
andu bagene ko milioni wene ko date
bari kura na bangi mwamutekia bona no beterete they are still there waiting for promises ira kiangai na ena no tu na bo tu la tongerio na ankwire kabete na awe kethera kwigintu anto bau bagukira including the president himself he go put IBC in place